Lesson 14 Working of Advertising. Lecture Overview. In continuation of the advertising theme, this lecture will delve into the mechanics of advertising, illustrating various communication models, message construction, and the factors influencing the media mix. Working of advertising. 1. The primary goal of advertisements is to raise awareness and alter brand attitudes. 2. Advertisements should present compelling reasons why a specific brand is superior. 12 steps to develop an effective campaign. 1. Identifying target market and positioning. 2. Defining advertising objectives. 3. Determining the required communication effects. 4. Understanding consumer responses to advertising. 5. Defining the campaign theme. 6. Campaign development. 7. Selecting the advertising appeal. 8. Creating a copy platform. 9. Formulating message strategy. 10. Media mix. 11. Scheduling, frequency and pattern of ad release. 12. Evaluation of the campaign. Basic communication model. Two-way communication model. Advertising communication model. Source or the advertiser. 1. The advertiser and advertising agency act as sources. 2. They establish campaign objectives in terms of the message's impact. Effects include perception, learning, persuasion and behavior, sales. Noise refers to any factor hindering or distorting the delivery of the advertising message to the target audience. External factors. Marketing strategy. General consumer trend patterns. Competitors' marketing communications. Public opinion. Internal factors. Target audience needs and purchase history. Information processing ability. Level of avoidance of advertising. Message and media mix factors. Message key factors. Analysis of marketing and advertising strategy. Understanding the target audience. Media mix key factors. Message reaching the target audience. Effectiveness of the media plan. Best chance of delivering the message. Different media mixes required to reach distinct target audiences. The receiver. Message reception and response. Think, feel, do. Learning. Persuasion. Behavior.